what you gonna do when it ain't nowhere to run? When judgment comes for you, when judgment comes for you, what you gonna do when it ain't nowhere to hide? When judgment comes for you.
Let me tell you about my homie that I'm missing. This is my decision. Feels like a piece is missing with the big incision on my heart. Let me bring you to the start when it all begun. I met Miss Brenda's son. We were young, like 9 or 10. Times of fun and freaky sin. I would love to live it again. Damn, I miss my friend to no extent. I always remember him popping the clutch and piling him up in the Bronco truck with the top peeled off. We would take off till the sun went down. I never had a friend when he was around, but the rest is history. But it's still a mystery why my dog ain't next to me. Damn, I miss my dog.